Hello everyone, this is Uncle William here with I'm going to try this out, the new Doritos chips review slash taste test. Now, many of you people might like this show, but some of you might only like other types of videos. Sorry, that was just my mom coming in, so ignore her. Okay, so and I'm getting my soda just in case. Today, for Doritos review, it's kind of like a special edition for Doritos The End contest. You know, one of those 2 new flavors that came out on February 8th. While I never tried them, one must be destroyed. And today, I got flavor A, onion rings and ketchup. I don't know what's gonna taste like. Either it tastes like your average onion rings and ketchup, or it's gonna taste a little bit different. But anyways, I think it sounds a little bit good, because I heard at school, like my teacher said, he doesn't like me, so he never tried this. So you can see we have the letter A. We have what type of flavor it is. We got Doritos logo. We got flavor. We got that Life logo. We got the turnover. We got this silver thing that says, "Will it live on or will it be destroyed? You decide." If you can see it clearly. Alright, let's turn at the back. Yeah, it shows you the details about the contest and the website and what prizes you'll win, and contest rules and stuff on French and stuff, ingredients and contacts and stuff, and nutrition packs. Yeah, so now we're gonna taste it out. Here, let me have a drink. What's this? Okay. Now, let's taste it out. Sniff. Smells good. Alright. Now, a moment of truth. Looks like your average Doritos. Has a little bit of color to it. So I think I know what it's going to taste like. So, here we go. One more. Two more, actually. You know, it has a very good taste to it. Not like your average Doritos. Just a very wild color and taste texture to it. Tastes better. It's really good. Yeah, I will definitely recommend this for all of you onion rings and ketchup lovers. It's really good. Now, Almost tastes similar to other chips, but different a little. Yeah, it tastes a little different than other chips. Yeah. So anyways, I just want to try out what the Doritos, when I think about the Doritos, onion rings and ketchup. This is my Uncle William, signing out.